Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way to revive an alkaline battery. So click on that subscribe button to support our channel because our next video is going to be awesome. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. And so guys, for this project we're going to use a 1.3 volt weak alkaline battery. And as you can see on the meter, we have a voltage of 1.3 volts to show that the battery is low. And so guys, in this video I want you to note that if your battery is leaking, it is not safe. So I advise that you dispose the battery and go for the one without any leaks. You don't have to be afraid, the battery will not explode or cause fire. So here with me is a battery I revived some days ago. This one here was about 1.2 volts and I boosted up and I got 1.5 volts. And as you can see on my meter, we have a voltage of 1.5 volts after long use. So guys, for us to be able to revive an alkaline battery, we are going to need a 3-volt battery. So guys, all we need to do now is hook up the positive terminal of the 3-volt battery to the positive terminal of the alkaline battery, and the negative terminal of the 3-volt battery to the negative terminal of the alkaline battery. And all we need to do is hold this for a minute and let it charge. And so guys, as you can see here, we have a voltage of 1.7 volts. So the voltage is going to drop until it reaches 1.5 volts. And at 1.5 volts, the voltage is going to be stable. But it's not going to have the same energy as if it was new. But it will be powerful enough to power your dry cell battery gadgets, just like your remote. And so guys, this is how you revive an alkaline battery. So subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And there's a video down below on how to revive your lithium-ion battery. Just go down ahead and click on that video and enjoy. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.